it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making Bulma's accessories. We're going to be making her scarf, her leg warmers, and her glove. To make Bulma's scarf, we're going to start by cutting a rectangle out of some lavender stretch knit. I'm using lavender because that matched the figure I was using for reference. It had more of a pastel color scheme, but you could also use a darker purple or even a red because it changes so frequently depending on the artwork you look at for this outfit. So we're going to fold it in half and sew it together along the side. After it has been sewn, we're going to trim away the excess material so that it's very close to the line of stitching. Turn the scarf right side out. Then we're going to sew along the edge again to create a French seam. Finish the edge of the top and bottom of the scarf using a rolled hem. Repeat this process with two smaller rectangles to make her leg warmers. To make Bulma's glove, we're going to be using the same technique for turkey hand gloves that we've done in the past. So I took some tissue paper and traced around my hand. Then we are going to take some brown stretchy fabric, fold it in half, and now we're going to sew along the lines that are drawn on the tissue paper. We're going to sew through the tissue paper and the fabric, leaving the space open for the hand to go in. Rip away the paper and trim away the excess fabric. To make the cuff, we're going to cut the rectangle out of some more of the brown fabric, fold it in half, and sew it together along the side. Fold the cuff in half and sew it to the bottom of the glove, putting right sides together. Fold the cuff back over, and Bulma's glove is done. And with that, Bulma's accessories are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!